What's up, guys? Guess where we are?
Disney! We're in Disney!
We finally made it to the Swan Resort. And it's a little early to check in, so I think we're gonna go walk around and do some fun stuff. I'm so excited! Check it out, they finished the construction over here. But the last time we were here, they were doing construction, right?
Yeah, it's just open.
The planning center and gift shop. Miles, what did you find?
Goofy's Candy.
The Goofy's Candy Company. Do you guys want some Goofy Candy Company?
Yes.
You should pick some out right now. I love these notebooks. They're so cool.
Yeah.
It looks like a Toy Story VCR case. Oh, I didn't know that. The first page is actually a videotape. Hey, can you try this on and show me how the Sheriff Woody apron fits you? It looks like a dress. Yes, we do need to get this magnet. That's awesome. I'm a pirate to my bones. Dude, I've never seen this magic band before. Have you seen the aliens
It must
before?
be new. No, I've never seen it.
That's awesome.
No.
What did you pick out?
Sour.
Sour balls. I love it. What did you decide on?
Sour rainbow belt.
Nice. The new gift shop is really cool. And the woman working there told us that it was her second day back, and she is so excited to be back here working.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So I'm super interested what is open and what's not open. Looks like the Java Coffee Eats and Sweets is open. I think Il Molino's was open, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think they're not open at this exact moment, but I think later they're open for dinner. They open at 6. I'm not coming here, but I actually want to take a seat at the bar. Chill is not open. Holy cow, I didn't even know this. They sell frozen cocktails. I want the mango margarita. It's very eerie how dead it is here. There's only a few people walking around and it's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
I'm excited and I'm gonna go check out the pool in a couple of minutes too. I think both Kimonos and Garden Grove is open, right?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Here's Kimonos. It's not open right now, but we can peek through the window. I want the sushi bar and I want to sit at that bar and have drinks. Definitely one of the coolest things about this place is you can walk to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. We're like 4 hours early, but they're letting us check in. I'm stoked. Even though we've been to the Swan Resort a bunch of times and walked around, we've never stayed here, so I'm pumped to go see what the rooms look like. I've heard really good things, and I think they just got remodeled recently. Within the last how many years, I don't know. Wow, this elevator is really nice and it smells great, even through the mask.
Really good.
Holy mackerel.
12 floors.
Smells clean. Here we go.
Hey. Oh man, all right. All right, ready? I'm gonna do the thing that everybody does when they get to the hotels. Oh, hey, it's me.
Hi.
Wow, Michelle, can you take us for a tour?
Yeah.
All right.
So first when you come in, here's the bathroom.
Ooh,
Nice closet. Ooh.
a closet. Bathrobe, I call it. Hair dryer, I call it. I also get all those hangers.
There's a safe.
Oh my God, there's a safe. What else do you see?
A nice safe.
Wow, nice vanity. I can really see everything.
There's white tea aloe soap.
Oh man. Open it and tell me how it smells.
I really want smell-o-vision.
Wow, it looks like a leaf. How's it smell? That smells good.
Smells like soap. Oh.
And here we have a giant mirror and the toilet, and there's a Miles that comes with the room,
There's a shower tub.
and an okay looking shower.
Shower.
And this room also comes equipped with a mom. Do you know what Amanda's, wait, before we do anything, do you know what Amanda's looking for right now? She's looking to see if Swan has the Disney Park channel. It doesn't.
It doesn't. So those of you who are wondering, like I was, because you know, Swan is kind of a Disney resort, but kind of not. I was wondering if they did the Disney TV.
They don't have the Disney TV
They don't, but
channel.
look, they're gonna keep us.
They're gonna keep us updated. There's a hurricane warning, so we gotta get down to the pool and go swimming. But I just looked at the weather, and the weather said no rain today.
Oh, good.
Anyway, back to our
Tour.
room tour.
Come on.
All right, show me some other stuff, Michelle.
And we have the first bed with a bunch of like pictures.
Ooh, I like the pictures.
It looks
They're
like
very
water.
nice. And the bed, is it a comfy bed or a not very comfy bed?
Let's see.
So I've heard these are the most
Whoa.
comfortable beds in the world.
I heard that they're super comfy, so we have to do the comfort test.
Yes. How is it?
Actually, it's pretty nice.
Hold on, I want to do the comfort test.
Okay, you do the comfort test. You have to hold the camera.
3,
Cool.
2, 1.
How is it?
Oh my god, this is awesome.
And the coolest thing, we don't really have a view with the room that we got,
I think we do.
but I think it's kind of neat because right over there we could see the Tower of Terror. So all in all, I think we have a great hotel room with a great view. And over here we have 2 bottles of water and some Starbucks coffee to drink in the morning. So right now, we're gonna go get ready and go in the pool, and then when we come back, I think we're gonna go to, you wanna go to Garden Grove today?
If we can.
I mean, it was open. I don't know if you need a reservation right now, you probably do. I'm gonna look on the app and see if I can get one.
Miles, are you gonna steal the pen again?
Oh yeah. Miles is the pen thief at all the hotels we stay
It's
at.
like my pen.
So, out of all the pools on Disney property that we've been to, and I think we've been to almost all of them, that is one of my favorites. What do you guys think? On a scale of 1 to 10, Swan Pool,
100.
neat,
100. It's a 70.
a 70 out of 100?
Yeah.
Holy moly. What's your
65.
Okay, then let's rate it based on your favorite.
No.
What's your favorite pool?
No.
Polynesian? No. What is it?
I don't know. I forget the
Clown
Polynesian
pool.
The clown pool is not the best pool, voice from behind the wall. Polynesian pool is probably my favorite pool. Well, whatever. Now that we're put back together, we gotta go get some food and go explore the area, which I'm so excited to do. That's why this resort is definitely gonna be one of my favorites out of all of them. We just came over to the boardwalk to look for some food. I just want to quickly show you guys this. I have never seen it like this before. Usually, this time in the afternoon, it's so busy.
Maybe.
But it's eerily dead. I can't believe it. Hopefully we can find something to eat because I'm starving. We're gonna go pop into Screen Door Gifts real quick. Kind of pumped about that. Amanda, you've been wanting a fanny pack.
Oh, that's a very bright looking fanny pack.
That is definitely the fanny pack that dreams are made of.
Yes, I
Holy
did.
moly, the kids every time we come have bought these little babies, which are cool, but now they have princess babies. We have the Little Mermaid and Rapunzel and Belle. Check this out, it's the cat from Big Hero 6. Every time we come here, Miles looks at this Pirates playset.
I really want that.
Dude, Amanda, those are some wacky headband ears.
Oh, aren't these funny?
I kind of dig them.
I know, me too.
I like them. Yeah, it's weird.
Fun.
I kind of like them.
Hey, check out this Mickey 2020. You know what it needs though?
To be beaten up, bruised, battered,
And also a mask.
and he needs a mask.
Gotta come
But he should also be missing a leg, dirty.
Yes.
His clothes should be
With like a
torn.
murder hornet stuck in him.
Yep. Oh my goodness. Miles, you lost your hand. You have a hook now? I was duped. Amanda, if you don't buy some of this H2O stuff,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to buy it on Shop Disney and pay the shipping. You might as well just buy some of it. Michelle, have you found the tiniest backpack in the whole world?
Yeah. You can actually store stuff in it.
I really
It's like a-
seriously doubt that you can put anything in there. I found the Disney face masks. There's a Mickey one, and there's a Mickey one similar to the one that I have on, except it was made by one of Amanda's friends. And of course, no trip to the boardwalk would be complete without the nanny chairs. I'm excited. Sit down.
No.
Please. Let her hug you. Let her embrace you. Miles, can I get you to come sit in the nanny chair? Oh, this is very exciting. Here is everything that's open at the boardwalk. So, maybe the abracadabra? It's almost 4.
What time is it?
Almost 4. But if not, the pizza window would be cool.
Pizza window.
All right, let's go get some food. So, boardwalk didn't work out, so we're going over to Beach Club to grab something from the quick serve. Wow, that was a long hot walk. Let's go.
Is it nice?
Ah, it's so cool in here. I'm so sweaty right now. I'm so happy to be inside here. over this way is the quick serve where we're gonna go eat some food, I hope. Though, I don't actually know if it's open, but it has to be, right? I mean, it can't not be open. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh my God, that turkey sandwich looks amazing. The Italian looks great. I think I'm gonna get this caprese sandwich. Oh my goodness. So the Oreo trifle.
I really
The
want
Summer
that.
Fun watermelon cupcake.
I really want
Oh, a plant-based chocolate Mickey Mousse. I might have to get that.
I really want
And
that.
look at these. Welcome home confetti cupcakes. Which one do you want?
The top one.
The top one, the Oreo trifle?
Yeah.
All right. After we eat lunch, we may have to figure it out. I'm gonna need to get an alcoholic beverage, and I think. Oh, are you getting the Schaffenhofer? I was gonna get the Schaffenhofer, but I think maybe I'll get the Concrete Beach Havana Lager. That looks pretty good. Michelle, how is your kids' pizza? It looks really good, actually. Look at that. That looks great.
Also, we found a spot. It's dead in there.
Yeah. So we went to the Beach Club quick serve. And we got a couple of quick serve sandwiches, which for right now is fine. We got a couple of beers. And we went to the solarium right down the street. And it's not that bad. It's quiet. And we get to watch Mickey cartoons.
Yeah, what could be better?
I can't wait to eat this food.
Should I grab a knife?
That's really good.
Oh my God.
That's even better.
No Epcot today, but I got my Germany beer.
Heavy.
Oh, I like that.
You like that? It's pretty good.
It's from Miami.
Lunch is gone.
It was so good.
It was really good. What'd you guys think about the pizza? It was really good. And we're still drinking beers. And I might go get another one. I'm not gonna ask you. Okay. Just want to give you guys a quick tip. If you need a break from a mask at a Disney resort, grab a beer, find a seat, and drink it. Wow.
Nice and cold.
So good.
There's also no one around us, so nice too.
Yeah, this place is empty. The end of the road. The yacht club is closed. We can't go that way. We have to go all the way back around to get back to our hotel, which is right there. We could go over, but that would break the rules and we'll get kicked out. Check this out. From the beach club, we have a great view of the new Cove Resort that's going in over there. Bless you. All right, so I guess today's just gonna be a random day of a bunch of stuff we're doing, because now we're going to ride the gondolas over to the Riviera. Dude, the gondolas are dead. Look how empty this is. It's totally quiet.
I can't wait.
I'm excited. Woohoo! That's it. We're out of here. We're gonna take off on this thing. We'll see you guys next time.
Don't forget to put